So I have these 4 things that I say to all startups. And one of them is you have to interact with your user group. And you have to interact with your user group to know them. You have to realize that there can be difference in different markets geographically. So I was talking with this startup the other day, and they told me that their market average user age in Denmark is 23 years. So the user is 23 years old. Young people with their mindset. When they entered the market in the US, they found out that the average user age there is 39. So it's a completely different market sector. So they have to do different marketing towards these different markets. So you have to know your customer. You have to know what they want to be able to run a business with a product.